Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hejin Lee with an update for Ethereum. I figured a video would do a lot more justice just than a single chart. I know members have asked for more frequent Ethereum updates. Here we go. This head and shoulders completed and was executed. And the key question right now is this where the C of this ABC requisite correction reside? Well, there are indications saying that it is a yes, um, and an alternate saying that it is no. I'm not saying this because in case I'm wrong on my primary, the alternate will save me. That is in no way, anyway, my intention in how I analyze because it's silly to do that. However, if we look at the supporting evidence showing that this C wave, excuse me, is the bottom of the correction, then this whole blue triangle can be labeled as a nested 1-2-1-2. Okay? And if we do that, it'll be, I'll just draw it in just for simplicity's sake. We can have wave 1 as being this, and wave 2 on this decline as part of the triangle. And what I mean by nested 1-2 is on this white 1-2, what do you get after wave 2? You get a wave 3. Okay? And if this white 3 is in progress, wave 3 is an actionary wave which must contain 5 subwaves. So this wave 3 now must probably have wave 1 of white 3. So yellow is subwave 1 of that white 3. Okay? And then we have the wave yellow 2 of white 3 residing here, let's say. Okay? Thereby, the yellow 1-2 is nested within the white 1-2 because yellow 1-2 are the subwaves 1 and 2 of white wave 3. A little bit confusing, but it's pretty linear to be able to follow that. Then we have, if we have yellow 1, yellow 2, we have yellow 3 going on. And this wave 1, and let's make it in blue, smaller in size because it's a subwave. And if we have this blue 1 and blue 2, which are the subwaves of yellow 3, then we have the blue 1-2 nested within the yellow 1-2, which are then nested within the white 1-2. That is the nested 1-2 Elliott wave phenomena. Okay. Then we've got almost, in this case, is what happens during a nested 1-2 is a coiling effect. This is coiling 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, boom, and it'll explode. Why? Because we are on white wave 3 and yellow wave 3 of white 3. And what did I say about 3 of 3s? And then we've got 3 of 3 of 3 going on. That is why the explosion will be phenomenal. So what's the condition for that? Price has to exceed this blue top line. And when it does, it'll be probably so quick you won't be able to catch it. So how do I trade this? if you were laddering in this time, let's say, or laddering in now, putting in a stop below this lower blue trend line would be a good idea, because this could be wrong. This 1212 could be wrong, because we can count this as an A, B, C, D, E for wave 4, and that would bring this C wave down to the original 50s and sub 49, 48-ish, maybe even as low as 36, somewhere here. That would be the alternate count. What does that mean? That the correction is not finished and still likely to then proceed to lower lows. But I think it's probably done. This is my primary count for Ethereum. That is coiling. And in the event this count is wrong, your stop will take you out somewhere in, let's say, 130-ish, 135, 132 should take you out. And if you're wrong, wait. If this count is wrong and you lose some money, your stop will prevent you from losing a lot of money when it goes down there. So, if we have the CME futures, now I'm sorry, I keep saying the CME and that's been done and over with. If we have the Bitcoin futures rolling over and resetting, then this price will probably decline a little more towards and the lower blue line and touch it and then explode. And that goes with this scenario that I just put in for Bitcoin, where if the wave 4 is shallow during this Bitcoin correction, altcoins like Ethereum, which is coiling within a nested 1212, should explode and then retake the baton for the price action leadership going upwards. All right, I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.